Good evening. It's September the 11th.
And what are we going to do today?
Another unboxing.
Okay. So would you like to open this one? This one, that way, because I don't want the address shown. This one was a like and share and a comment competition on a local shopping centre, which was Walton-on-Thames Shopping Centre. And it was a back to school competition, which I won a voucher for this shop, Clark's. And how much is the value?
£50.
£50. There we go. A £50 Clark's voucher. That will do for some new school shoes. So that's today's unboxing. Oh, it says to Vicky, congratulations from Kings Mall. Walton-on-Thames, Kings Mall.
Have you watched?
Someone's been off school with tonsillitis. And he's feeling a little bit better today, it seems. Thank you for watching.
Before we get finished up, please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
Right, say it again slowly.
Before we get finished up, please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up.